Hi, this is Vonda. I'm with KVP International.
And my name's Tess.
And we're here with the Balto Hock today. The Balto Hock is a really unique brace that is going to give us both medial and lateral support for those patients who have hind limb laxities. We use these a lot in feline patients who have Achilles injuries. Not that we don't see that in canine, you can use that for them too, but this is one of our best support products for cats that have hind limb laxity. If you need to, you can also remove the aluminum rods on the medial and lateral side so that you have a true compression brace for the hind leg.
So how do I know what size to order for my dog?
So with the Balto Hock, you want to take a couple of measurements. You want to go below the hock. So you've got your hock joint here. It's the more prominent joint on the back leg. So you want to measure below the hock and above the hock, and those two measurements will drop you into a category. If you are between sizes, let's say between a small and a medium, go one size down. That way we get enough compression to actually give them support.
Now, can you wear this brace simultaneously on both legs?
Yes, absolutely. If you have bilateral injury or laxities, Achilles injuries, and so on, you can put the Balto Hock on both hind legs and it will continue to support your patient.
So what age is recommended to use this brace?
So we don't necessarily have an age guideline for the Balto Hock. This is strictly going to be injury based, or if you have a hind limb laxity that needs support. But if you have a younger growing patient, work with your veterinarian and they're going to help you determine how long you need to use this brace or how often before something else is recommended.
And can this be used in place of surgery?
That's really going to depend on the type of injury that your patient has. It might be something that you use in the interim. It also may be something that you use during the recovery period post-surgical.
Okay, and are these braces also waterproof?
Not necessarily waterproof, but it is okay if they get wet, especially because this one is a little bit lower on the leg. When you take them out to use the restroom, put a bootie, a sock, or a plastic bag on that leg to help protect the brace. When you need to wash it, remove the aluminum splints and you can hand wash cold and hang to dry.
And how long does it typically take for my pet or my dog to adapt to this brace?
So if we're putting this on 30 minutes to an hour and working up to that 12-hour time frame, I would say your pet should be adapted to this brace within 1 to 2 weeks. So bonus tip for my friends in veterinary medicine, exotics, and sanctuaries. Think about the Balto Hock if you need support for some of those exotic patients with hind limb issues. We've seen these used in goats, deer, and a number of other species. So this option is something you can use in more than your regular canine and feline.